Now you can continue.
Okay, Snehalata, we are actually doing a story making game. It is a kind of group kind of story. We all have to make one story. So we'll give one sentence. I mean, each everyone has to give one sentence. Like suppose I am giving one sentence. Aarti was going to the road, and Janki said, Aarti was looking at one girl, and you said that girl was actually not looking beautiful. So in that way, you have to make a story.
Okay.
Everyone has to give one sentence according to the story, and we'll make one story. Okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Should
Sumona
we start?
joined. Sumona joined.
Yeah, everyone, we are going to make a story making game. Suvana knows that story making game. One day I explained to her that story making game. Okay, one story we have to make. It is a kind of group kind of story. So first I am going with that story. Okay, so Snehalata was watching a big house in the middle of the road. Now it was turn of Piali.
Okay. So Snehalata was looking at the big house, and the big house was completely empty and it was looking like a haunted house. Then,
Sumona. Okay, Snehalata. Sumona after. Maybe. Snehalata.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
yes.
Deepa and Piali. Can you repeat your statement?
Yeah, we were actually making one story making game. One day I joined. I
Okay, I
uh,
understand. Yeah.
taught you
Yeah.
how to make. So just give one sentence. Okay. So the
Okay,
sentence
so
where
hmm,
yeah, sentence where Snehalata was looking at one house in the middle of the road, and
okay.
Piali said it was a haunted house. It was looking so empty. Now your sentence.
Okay, so Snehalata was interested to know about the house and she entered the house.
Okay. Now Snehalata.
Yeah, this house is very dangerous.
Arti is not
Dangerous.
speaking.
Okay. You
Arti, give a
Aarti. Yeah.
And Snehalata also wanted to visit our house because she curious about to know our house is looking the same and any part of house any one leaf.
Hmm. It means all the rooms she wants to see. You are saying right?
Yeah, all the corner
All
in
the
home.
corner. Okay.
okay,
She was
okay,
actually investigating all the corners of that house.
okay.
Okay. Janki.
Yes. But that time, what happened? Like Snehalata came with her husband. Okay. So that time, her husband was not interested in that particular house because that house was looking horrible, like danger. This I guess.
Okay. So my sentence is that Snehalata, feels strange about one room. From there, she was feeling that one light was on. I mean, turn on. One light is still turn on, but in every room the light was off because it was daytime. But in one room only one light. In one room one light was on. I mean, one tube light was
Okay,
on.
then it's
Yeah.
my
Next,
chance, I
Piali.
think.
Yeah.
Okay. So then Snehalata suddenly noticed a shadow of a human being. Okay, and her hair was long and very, you can say that brown color. Okay. Next, Sumona, I think. Sumona.
Sometime your voice is breaking up.
Piyali, your voice is breaking actually. Yeah.
I was saying that suddenly Snehalata saw a shadow of a human being. She just noticed the shadow, not the human being. Okay, got it?
Shadow. Okay. Okay. Next one. Shadow. She's hey, okay. She just notices shadow. Okay. Piyali, stop. Sumana. Sumana. Hello. Sumana, are you there? Okay.
Sumona, we are not able to hear your voice. Your voice is breaking. Deepa, you can go to another.
Okay. Sumana,
Actually,
your voice
actually,
is breaking.
everyone should turn off their mic a part of Sukhna, so maybe voice become. Hello,
Yeah, okay.
hello, Piyali, Deepa, have you heard my
Hello.
statement?
No, no,
My
your voice was
sentence?
not audible. Your voice
No,
was
no,
not
no, no,
audible.
not a single voice.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Now your voice is
Okay,
audible.
so I said that when Piyali saw, when Snehalata saw the behind the curtain,
Okay, she saw that someone was behind the curtain.
she thought,
Okay,
she
Snehalata.
doesn't see.
She
Yeah.
thought.
So
She doesn't
she
see.
goes
Okay, she
towards
thought.
the curtain.
Snehalata. So, okay, Snehalata towards the curtain to see
Yeah,
whether there is anyone or not. Snehalata.
yeah. At that time, I have taken one burning candle in my hand, and because that time I was not believe on my